What's going on, everyone? YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, wherever you see me. James Paradise here. It is Saturday, December 19th. This year is almost over. And right now I'm going to talk about the best New Year's resolution you could ever make in your life. It is the number one plan that anybody around the world needs to make. And I've got it right here. Let's get started. In 2020, most people had a really shitty, crappy year. They didn't make a lot of money. They lost their job. A lot of people, even multimillionaires, did not make a lot of money. However, in my business and a lot of other businesses online, we had an incredible, amazing year because we do our business online. So what do you think everybody was doing, including you, while you were under the quarantine for the COVID-19 coronavirus? You were sitting at home online. You were on social media, and you were watching other people like me post pictures and videos selling products and services online. Got it? So what do you think you should do for the new year 2021? Well, it's a pretty simple answer, isn't it? You need to make more money online. Everything is online, so your New Year's resolution should be a basic plan to make more money online. And it doesn't have to be complicated. It's so basic. And I'm going to show you how to keep it really simple. And I'm going to show you step by step right now what you need to do. Here we go. The number one question I get, even from people who are making a lot of money, over $1 million a year, is, James, how can I make more money? How can I spread my word around social media? And how the hell do I get more quality leads that convert into people who have money to buy my product or service? Got it? So there's two things you need to know right now. Number one is this. You need to have a New Year's resolution, but it can't be just, I want to make more money. That's bullshit. It doesn't work. You have to have a plan. So first thing is this. Number one is you need a goal. You have to set a goal. What is that goal? Okay, make more money, right? So let's set the goal right now. You want to make more money. How much do you want to make? You have to write it down. Get out a piece of paper, a pencil, a pen, type it out. You have to write it down or you'll never obtain it. So number one, you have to set a goal. What's that goal? I'm going to create a goal for you right now. Here we go. You ready? You want to make more money for 2021? Here's your goal. How about an extra $1 million next year? And that next year is coming up in about 14 days here. For 2021, an extra $1 million. Are you interested? So here's the second part of your New Year's resolution to make an extra $1 million next year, right? The second part is this. Okay, so we have the goal. What's the goal? $1 million. An extra $1 million. So that means if you're only making $1 million, you want to make $2 million next year, right? So here's the deal. If you're only making $100,000 in 2020, which I doubt most people did, but you want to make $200,000. Basically, you want to make double what you made in 2020. If you didn't make any money, then you need to make money. So the second part of this program, you have to set the goal, and then you have to write down the plan. Step by step, ABC, 1, 2, 3, we're going to walk step by step, and we're going to hit this goal. But you have to write down the steps. So for example, my goal is to make an extra $50,000 a month next year. So what do I need to do? My steps are very simple. Step one, I need to post more ads. Step two, I need to post more ads. Step three, I need to post more ads. Where? Everywhere. So I can get my ads in front of more eyeballs, more people. Does that make sense? Are you with me? So for example, if you do not invest money on advertising and marketing to sell your product, that's why you're struggling. There's only two forms of marketing, guys: free marketing and paid marketing. The richest people in the world pay and invest money for advertising. So if you're wondering why you're scratching your head over the last 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years, why you haven't made a lot of money, why you're not a millionaire, and why you're not rich, is because you don't have the balls and the confidence to go out and invest your hard-earned money on paid advertising. And I'm going to tell you right now, the richest people in the world know this one secret. You know what the secret is? There's no other way to make more money in the world than to spend $1 on an ad, have somebody buy a product for $100, and make a 900% return on your money. I'm talking 900% interest on your money. Are you still interested? So here's the thing. As I hang out at my rooftop pool, check out that the sunset just went down in the Caribbean. We got the moon right above me here coming out right about now. We're about to come up here and have some dinner at the rooftop pool. Now, here's the thing. Step 3 with this New Year's resolution, number 1, you got the goal. Number 2, you got the plan, right? If you don't, comment below and I'll give you a plan. I'll put it together for you live. It'll take me about 60 to 90 minutes. We'll do it live on the phone, on a Skype call, on a Zoom call. I don't care. Who gives a shit? Get on the phone with me because I kick ass and I teach people how to make more money. Period. People call me the money motivator. Why? Because I motivate you to make more money. So the next step is this. You need to set up a schedule. What's your schedule? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, I'm talking 7 days a week next year to implement your plan to get the steps done to hit your goal. What's your goal? An extra $1 million next year in 2021. So now we have to set up the schedule. So what time are you going to get up in the morning? And what time are you going to go to sleep? And every second, every minute, every hour throughout the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you better bet your ass that you're going to be working on your schedule to get your plan done to hit your goal. Got it? So from the time you wake up, from the time you go to bed, you focus all of your energy on hitting your goal, which means you have to implement the plan and you have to keep with the schedule. So from 7 o'clock in the morning until 7 o'clock at night, let's take 10 hours out of the day. 12 hours out of the day, and let's kick ass. Let's work. Now, of course, we'll take a break and exercise for an hour or so. Of course, we're going to eat a little bit. You don't need much. You got to stay in shape, right? But you need to focus on one thing. What's that? Your goal. What's your goal? Make an extra $1 million next year. How are you going to do that? You have to get the steps in the plan. How are you going to do that? You have to set up the schedule. So right now, write down your schedule. What are you going to do from 7 o'clock in the morning till 7 o'clock at night? From 7:30 at night till you go to sleep? Have fun. Spend time with your family. But you better be hitting your goal. Got it? So here's what you need to do, okay? You have to get started now, not tomorrow. Now, right now, as you're watching this video, get out a pencil, get out a pen. Write down your goal. Write down your plan, write down the steps, and write down your schedule. Get it done now, right now. It'll take you 5 minutes. If you need help, comment below and say, James, I'm interested. Help me out. I'll get you on a live WhatsApp call, Facebook time call, Facebook Messenger call, Zoom call, or a Skype call. It doesn't matter. I've got 15 ways we can talk live. But the point is, are you a person of action? Do you take action? When you say you're going to do something, you actually do it now? Or do you wait until tomorrow? That's a loser. Are you a maybe person? You say, well, maybe I'm going to listen to James. Maybe I'm going to set a New Year's resolution, and maybe I'm going to set a new goal. Maybe I'm going to set a new plan. Maybe I'm going to set up a new schedule. If you're a maybe person, maybe's for babies. Maybes for babies. Those are losers. Don't be a maybe person, and don't be somebody who's going to wait until tomorrow. You know, most people out there, 99% of the public, they have their favorite day, which is someday. Someday, they're going to change. Someday, they're going to make a New Year's resolution. Someday, they're going to make more money. But just not today. Loser! So, who are you? Are you a take action person? Good. Comment, smash the like button, click the notification bell, get all my videos. My name is James Paradise. I'm a money motivator, and I'd like to money motivate your ass and make more money next year. Let's get busy! And guys, by the way, just so you know, keep watching all my videos. I got a brand new YouTube channel, brand new playlist. All I do is teach people different ways to make money, but the number one way to make money is setting up your New Year's resolution with the goal, with the plan, with the schedule, and taking action when? Now.